today's topic for Xperiencify is how to make little the achievements when you finish the course. This is the little hurrah, the little yay, the good job. And they're going to be doing more of these where you could do them, you could trigger them within the course, but that is later. That hasn't been, it's going to be implemented soon, and we'll do a video. And to this video, we're going to use building a strategic partnership with your boss. This is the actual course that I'm working on. So it is live, and whatever I choose today, unless I change it later, is what it's going to be. So we went into the course, and then we're going to go down to where it says, step 5, design your course experience. So we have, these are all your choices. We already have a video on XPs, and it's about the same way, but this is where you could choose. It says course completion celebration. So we're going to go there. So right now I have it on achievement, and then you could click here and see what achievement looks like. By the way, this is the second time I have tried this video because I forgot to put the sound on where you could hear it. It's like no fun. So I had to redo this whole thing again. So I want to look at a couple other choices that may not be the one I want. Let's look at, what is divine? Now see, that would be nice, like we have a yoga class or a meditation class. I want something that has a little more like, yay. So, let's try 80s. I'm actually was in high school and in the 80s. I'm dating myself, but have to see the 80s. Oh, yeah, that would be the 80s. Still not what I'm looking for. In the flow, nature, trumpets. It's whoozah. I like that. That one, that's a maybe. Diamond? We're going to do like one more after this, and I'll make my decision. And we'll look at one more. Let's see. I think I had it. Well, let's look at achievement 2. You made it to the top. Okay, so out of those ones, am I going to pick one? We are going to pick, I think the one we started with, achievement 1. I am picking that one for now. You've made it. And then if I wanted to change the text, I added the woohoo when I did my first version of this without the sound. So I'm going to leave that. But it started out, congratulations, you just completed the course. Woohoo! You can change it to whatever you want. So it's just, just like anything else, you click and edit. But I like it how it is. So now that is done. Once again, I'll play it one more time. This is what they get when they finish the course. Now the problem is I don't have a course that's where I'll click done, or I would show you live, but I don't have that. So you're just going to have to test it and look for yourself. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and we will see you in the next video. I will see you in the next video.